It's Driana Janae, and I'm back with another video. If you are new here, hey. If you're a returning subscriber or you've just been stuck in my channel, why have you not subscribed yet? Like this video, tap that notification bell, and let's get into it. So, I was sent some PR from Influencer and Victor and Roth, and I got the goods, honey. I got a new fragrance that just released, and I want to shout it out and put y'all on. So if you want to see the fragrance in a full review, just keep on watching. Alright, quick disclaimer. Regardless of my outfit, my hair is like this because it looks a mess under here, so I needed something to match to throw it on. But I am not into the whole fortune telling psychic thing. Again, disregard the outfit. I didn't have anything else that matched. This was the best I could do. But yes, that was just my disclaimer, but let me hop into it. So like I said, Victor and Roth and the Influencer were so nice and kind to send me this fragrance. I was thinking about getting it, but I was reluctant just because of the bottle itself. My favorite color is purple, as you can tell. My room decor is purple, all that good stuff. I love purple, so I thought, oh, the bottle is so pretty. So I was like, weighing on whether or not I was gonna buy it. But when they sent you, girl, the fragrance, I wasn't even expecting. I went to the mailbox and I seen a package. I opened it. I was like, yeah, what is this? So I was super excited to get this. But Victor and Roth, I literally only own Bon Bon. That's the only fragrance by Victor and Roth that I actually have, and I love it. Beautiful caramel. But we're not here to talk about that. We're here to talk about this. This is their new fragrance, Good Fortune. It's supposed to be a jasmine vanilla situation. Again, this is the first impressions. I have not sprayed. I sprayed it when I did my unboxing on TikTok and Instagram, but I haven't fully. My hair like uneven and stuff. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, yeah, I haven't done a full thorough review. That's what you guys are for, so y'all get the good stuff. All right, so here is the bottle. So pretty. You know, I don't get in the whole crystals and stuff like that. I don't. If that's your thing, that's your thing. But we're just here to talk about what it smells like. But okay, the bottle, pretty, purple. Hello, and then the atomizer because we care about that too. Nice even spray. Okay, let me see if I got a little situation on my test strip. I think that's a different fragrance. I did spray this on a test strip so it could air out in time, but that smells totally different. Let's see. I'll let it air out for a second, but yes, even the packaging I love. It's so pretty. Purple. You gotta love purple. Okay, so I'm gonna read the accords and the notes afterwards, but let's talk about this. So instantly, I pick up white florals and vanilla. There's like some spicy, like a little twist to it. Let me spray it on my skin as well. Let me see. There's like a little spicy in the opening that I kind of am feeling too. Okay, let me see. Let it dry down a little bit on my skin. But yeah, y'all, my hair has definitely seen better days. It's definitely seen better days, but we're working. I wanted to do the review. I cared more about y'all than I did my appearance today. I slapped on, I didn't even do the whole shebang. This is literally foundation and blush and a little highlight. Didn't do too much, but yeah. Okay. So first impressions, I'm gonna be completely honest. I don't know how to feel. Don't know how I feel about this. Like, let me spray it on my hand. Let me spray it again. Like, when you first spray it, it's really nice. Like, the spicy scents that it has to it, the floralness and the vanilla, like, I get all that in the opening when you first spray it, but as it dries down, there's like some greenness to it that your girl just ain't. Yeah. It's okay. Not the best fragrance, not the best jasmine vanilla situation that I've smelled before. And this is just me. I don't lie. I will never lie to y'all. I'm always honest. I would definitely say this is more of a spring, fall. It's like spring-ish fragrance. Yeah, definitely more of a spring fragrance. I don't know, y'all. I may have to do like a full day wear. I don't. Okay, let's read the notes. Let's read the notes. All right, so I'm gonna start off with the Accord. So you get vanilla, white floral, soft spicy. I knew I got a little spicy. There's floral, sweetness, fresh, powdery, and anise, whatever that is. And then the notes you get fennel, gentiana, jasmine, and Madagascar vanilla. So I knew there was like some greenness to this. So fennel is a herb anise-tinged scent used in fresh aromatic spice blends. So that's where you get the spice from, and probably the green notes as well, because it is a green plant. And gentiana is a flower. So it's not, I love white floral scents and I love vanilla, but I'm gonna be completely honest. This isn't for me. And I'm so glad that they gifted this so I didn't have to spend my money. But yeah, y'all, I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna let it sit and wear out on my skin. Maybe I'll come back later in the day to tell y'all how long it lasts and how it settles into my skin. But as of right now, it's enough for me. It's just, it's not there. It's very powdery to me. It's very green. I feel like the greenness kind of overshadows the pretty jasmine that it has in that opening. It smells like a sweet baby powder. Yeah. Those are my current thoughts. Let me wait. I'll come back tonight and tell y'all. It is currently 3 o'clock-ish in the afternoon, so I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna come back later on tonight and tell y'all what I think before I, like, end the night. We'll be back. Okay, it's currently like 9:30-ish, so I've had the fragrance on for about 6 hours. I can't smell it anymore, so I think I stopped smelling it around 7:30, 8 o'clock-ish. So 4 to 5 hours is how long this is gonna last. My final thoughts, yeah, it's too powdery for me. I did actually end up, because I just like the smell, I did want to smell like baby powder throughout the day. I ended up layering it with a amber based fragrance to help it, to kind of mask that powderness. But overall, this is a okay fragrance. Like, I would have never spent my money on this, or if I did, it would have got sent back. But since it was gifted, yeah, I'm going to wear it, because it's not like a horrible fragrance, but it's not anything, it's very linear. There's no depth to this. Pretty straightforward. You don't get the highs and lows in this. You don't get anything. And I forgot to read the little card that was sent. So it says, Good Fortune EDP is a new woman's fragrance to create your own destiny. Luxurious jasmine flower is magnified to offer blooming and velvety solar notes. Alluring to the senses, it is infused with a creamy and captivating vanilla awakened by phenol gentian. So that gentiara that I kept misspelling earlier when I was reading the notes, flower extract, aligned with a long-term commitment to Victor and Rolf. Good Fortune is a vegan fragrance that is sustainable, and it also can be refilled. Now, I forgot to mention that earlier. Yes, it is refillable, so you can unscrew the top. Boom, you can unscrew the top and fill it back up. So, and it's vegan, so yes, cruelty free. I love it. I didn't mention that either. Somebody, I was reading like other reviews on different sites, Sephora, TikTok, from other people that received this, and someone said that this smells like a I heard two things. It was a watered down version of a fragrance. I heard that it was a nighttime version of Flower Bomb. I don't have Flower Bomb. I used to own it a while back, but I don't have it. And I don't think it's a watered down flower, like a nighttime version of Flower Bomb. I'm trying to see. I cannot remember what the nighttime version, or sorry, I'm trying to see what the watered down version that people were saying this smelled like. They said it was a watered down version of something. It was kind of funny. And then I also heard that this gives you love spell vibes. And it's been a while since I've smelled Love Spell by Victoria's Secret, the body mist. I haven't smelled that in a very long time, so I don't exactly remember. I looked at the notes and they're not the same. It says that Love Spell is more of a fruity fragrance. But again, I haven't smelled that in a very long time, so I can't remember, honestly. But yeah, I feel like this would be... If you are into white florals, you would appreciate this. If you're like a true gourmand lover like I am, if you love like dark scents, then no. This is just too... For me, this is, I think, too mature. I see, like, my mom, I could see my mom enjoying this. That, like, she would wear this. I think, I could be wrong. I may let her sniff it and see if she likes it, and I may give it to her. We'll see. But yeah, I mean, the bottle is cute. Again, I'm not into the whole crystals and the fortune telling situation, like the whole ad. I was, to each his own. If you're into that, that's cool. But just, for the purposes of that, it was gifted to me. I'm very grateful to Victor Roth and Influencer for sending me this. I was not expecting this. I got the email that I was getting it, and then I went to the mailbox literally 10 minutes later to go to the mailbox for something totally different, and it was in the mail. So I was super excited. I was like, oh my gosh, I wasn't expecting this. So I'm grateful that they sent it to me. And it's not a bad fragrance. It's just not something that I'm accustomed to. So, I mean, maybe if something is just too much for me, this may air it out a bit. So I'm going to test it out, throughout the week. And if I'm still not feeling it, when I go back home to visit my mom, I'll see if she likes it. If she likes it, she can have it. So, yeah, those are my thoughts. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'm tired. I'm about to take this makeup off and lay my head down. So, make sure you follow me on social media and all that good stuff. And I will see you guys in the next